Hi guys, this is Devajyoti here, and today's video will be a bit different because in this video I will be unboxing the iPad 6th generation 32GB Wi-Fi model along with the GoPro Hero. I will also be showing you few unique and popular sweets of Balaraman, Mallick and Radharaman Mallick. Now we are almost a family of 25,000 subscribers, and it wouldn't have been possible without the tremendous love and continuous support from you guys. Yes, 25,000 subscribers is not a small number, which I frankly never imagined before. Thus justifying the title of this video that subscribers gifted me this iPad and GoPro Hero, because the audience is the king in the kingdom of YouTube. And thank you to each and every one of you for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. This is the brand new iPad 32GB Wi-Fi 6th generation, and this is the GoPro Hero. Thank you everyone once again. Let me tear the box. So this is the 1-year extended warranty card. And so this is the box, and over here we have few GoPro stickers and user manual, and this is the battery of GoPro. This is the charging adapter Type C, and a few mounts, and this is the GoPro over here. Wow, feels very premium than the ordinary action cameras that are available in the market right now. And yes, it's GoPro after all. This is the iPad 32GB. I don't have knife right now, so yeah. Oh wow, this is the brand new iPad. I have taken the space gray version. This is the charging cable. This is the user manual. There is nothing much in this box, and you get a charging adapter like this. Looks and feels very premium. After all, it's an Apple product. I am very much happy, you can see. And it also has got a touch ID over here, which is very nice. This is a sweet box from Balaraman Mallick and Radharaman Mallick. Simply superb. This mishti doi or sweet curd Has a subtle taste of blueberry, which is very unique, and perhaps this is the only shop in Kolkata which makes unique sweet curd or mishti doi like this. Balaraman Mallick and Radharaman Mallick. These are the overall different kinds of sweets which I brought, because after all my channel is all about food vlogs and the video would be incomplete without any food items. This is the soya chop cutlet. It's a bit spicy, but truly flavorful. This one is the paneer chop. Superb. This is the very famous jol bhora sandesh. Jol bhora, the word is pretty self-explanatory. Jol in Bengali means water and bhora means filled. Hence, it is a type of sweet that has liquid-filled juicy center of thin jaggery, and it has the perfect balance of sweetness. Wow, just wow, superb. And over here, this is the magic laddu. The magic laddu costs 40 rupees, and it totally justifies the cost it was charged for, and the sweet is surprisingly not so overpowering. Simply superb. This is 19 April, a type of hard shell sandesh. It easily gets divided into two halves, and inside it contains choco chips, and the outside layer has a strong milky bar kind of flavor, having a prominent flavor of orange. It's truly a treat for all those having a sweet tooth. This is the watermelon sandesh. It's very soft, and literally sweet syrup is oozing out of it. In every bite you feel like you are having some watermelon. Simple yet creative. This is the mango sandesh. Inside it has got a sweet mango pulp or puree, and it's truly delicious. Wow, just simply superb. This is the Miss Calcutta, and it's a heart-shaped chocolate based sweet. Let's see what we have inside. Just simply awesome. So if you have made this far, I really appreciate if you hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video for whatsoever reason, and don't forget to click the bell icon along with subscribing, because I will be posting new food vlogs every Friday 6:30 PM. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.